your name?
My name is Rachel Flores Alayo.
Grabe, galing naman magsalita. Racheline, right? Racheline, how old are you?
7 years old.
7 years old, and let me guess, you will dance today.
Yeah, and sing.
Dance and sing! Grabe naman! So, Racheline, how long have you been singing and dancing?
A lot.
You've been singing, dancing a lot. So, 7 years old, how old are you when you started singing?
4 years old.
4 years old. And do you have a teacher who taught you to sing?
No.
No! Talagang siya lang ang nag-teach ng self niyang kumanta. Racheline, what are you gonna be singing today?
No si Balasi.
No si Balasi! Grabe! Kaya excited na ako. Racheline, you think kaya mong manalo?
I don't think so.
You think so? Kaya naman, Racheline, palakpakan naman for Little Star, Racheline! ba? Palakpakan naman for Charlene! Grabe naman yun! Parang nag-concert! Dami naman fans! Sige nga! Nasaan ang fans si Charlene? Charlene, you think you did well?
I think so.
Well, you know what? You did very well, Charlene. Kaya naman, this time it's now here from Judge Ray. Judge Ray, anong masasabi mo sa pasabog na performance si Charlene?
Wow! Sabi ko, ako na to ang singing dance na i-perform kanina.
Thank you.
Yung dance sa last part. Wow, you ended the audition so great today.
Thank you.
Actually, no? Timing, projections, super. Good luck.
Thank you very much.
Ay, okay. Rachelene pala. Kaya mali pala ako, Sherilyn sabi ko. Rachelene, again, best of luck to you. If ever manalo ka, anong gagawin mo sa pera? What are you gonna do with the money?
Bibigay ko sa mga pamilya ko.
Wow! And if ever manalo ka, do you wanna go to Korea?
Yup.
Yup! O, diba? Mga opa natin. Again! Naku, daming fans, oh. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, our SM Hills Superstar 2024 will win as much as 15 million pesos worth of prizes. Kaya naman, ano bang inaantay ninyo? After this, we will take a quick break. However, ang registration for the next batch of auditionees mamaya is going on. Again, pag meron po kayong mga anak na gaya ni Rachelene, all you have to do is bring them here now at SM City Bacolod and register for the auditions happening today. Again, registration is open until 2 p.m. only. Kaya naman, ano pang inaantay ninyo? Once again, palakpakan naman for Rachelene! Rachelene, thank you so much and best of luck to you! Ayan, ako, diba? Galing eh. Yes, may rock star na nabuhay today. Diba? We just met a future rock superstar.